KVUE stock analysis and price predictions for Monday, the 18th of August. Is Kenvue stock a buy? I'll be breaking this down in this quick and short 1 minute video. Now, here's the thing with Kenvue. It's in a beautiful demand zone from this higher time frame chart, but that's just that, right? It's not that I'm going to randomly start buying. Like, I have a line pointing towards the upside and all that good jazz, but it does not make it an immediate buy whatsoever. Actually, I already got the first break. It's just like I'm one break away, above $22, full on $22, full candle close on like a 1 hour, 2 hour chart. Then and only then I would look to buy. And this is only valid as long as we're sitting above 2075, right? If it starts breaking beneath 2075, then it's a whole different thing that I'm not even going to touch. But I'll definitely keep you updated, and if you want to stay tuned and get free sales, then just click the first link in the description, and I will obviously continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.